How to set and manage input and output devices on Windows 10. Hello and welcome back everybody. Today we are providing you with a simple guide to do so on microphones, speakers, headphones, webcam, etc. Those are likely input and output devices we're gonna use. So let's get started. One of the things we can do is we can open up sound settings. So go to your settings for that, go to system and look out for sound. And within sound, we can go to here we can manage both output and input devices. So we have output here and input here right below it. So if you want to manage it, for example, we have speakers as default and our microphone as default. Now, if you want to add up a new device, you can select this option for add device for output device. You can select Bluetooth, wireless display, dock, etc. Same goes for input as well. You can look out for add device and you can pair up a new device for yourself and just go over and confirm it up. And that way you can just go over and add it up. You can set it as default. Once you add it up, you can find that specific application and set it as default or remove it. And that way you can manage it. Apart from that, you can just go over and select output device. So let's head over to settings. Go to system, go to sound and output devices. And here we can select what kind of output device we would like, such as, headphones, HDMI audio, Bluetooth speakers, etc. And you can use this volume slider right here in order to, change the output volume. And that way you can do so. Also, you can rename the device. Once you find it up, you can right click on it to rename it. Same goes for input as well. You can go over, look out for add device, as I said earlier, and select any other device as a microphone, such as a Bluetooth microphone or anything else, or a wire one. You can use those and use it for your input device. And you can use this volume slider right here and speak it into it. You can select a microphone here, and we have this option right here for input volume. And we have this microphone test option as well. You can click on this option, go start test, and speak into the mic and look at the test, your microphone bar. If it moves, the mic is working. And you can adjust the mic volume as well. For remote control, we can use control panel as well. So what we can do is we can go to Windows or directly head over to control panel. Hit enter. Once you go to control panel, look out for hardware and sound. Look out for sound and find your audio's input and output devices here. And you can back click on it, select it, disable, enable, remove it, configure it, anything that you would like. And you can manage it. You can look out for recording tabs, sounds, communications, and many other options. You can just go over and use those options to set it as default, disable the device, taste the audio, etc., and enable and disable it. And that's it. And that is it, everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow up if you want to manage it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.